So today we're working on this 2008 Silverado. It had a bad transmission cable. Whenever you put it into gear, the gear would just slip. So we went under there, diagnosed that this bushing that's in here was worn out. And here's a new part. As you can see, this new one has a tighter bushing than this one. So now what we're gonna do is this pointy side that goes in here, I'm gonna pull this white clip back here. Pull this white clip back, slide it in there, and there's this little clip that's gonna go around it. As you can see, it's securely in there. If you're pulling it, y'all can't see, but if you're pulling it, it won't come out. So that's what that clip does. So then after that, you slide all this together, and then from there, this one didn't come with the mount, so we just put some zip tie, and then just put it on here the shift linkage, and it goes into here too with the little clip. Basically it.